We are going to be the chubby but chubby bunny. The chubby bunny challenge. We're gonna see how many marshmallows we can stick in our mouth, and then we're gonna try and say. And once we can't fit anymore, we're gonna try and say chubby bunny. Marshmallow. Okay.
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Go chew them. Tastes good.
After this, I'm gonna like hate marshmallows. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. See? Say this first. Not a real baby.
Taz, you want a marshmallow?
Ew, I'm gonna go puke. I hate marshmallows.
Ew! Okay, that's gross.
So that was our chubby bunny video. Hope you liked it, even if it sucked.
I'm gonna go die now.
Yeah, we're gonna go puke our insides. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.